She's over there with Nanny.
Look at her. She looks like both of you guys. You can kiss her.
You want to kiss her? Give her a kiss.
Give her a kiss, Craig.
Why does she not really look at me? I'm saying, why is she like?
Well, she was just born, buddy. Watch out, Scott.
She wants a kiss from you guys.
No, you can't see much. Well, I mean, you still have a little pooch. It'll go
I'll be
down.
back to check on her.
Okay, thank you.
Did anybody go in the bath?
No, nobody went in the bath. Carter,
Okay, I tell you what, it'll be easiest. In the corner, maybe?
you gotta hold her.
Huh?
Hey, did you
Hey, Scott, scoot over.
You choose in the corner. Good job.
Look up, Craig. Craig, look up. Look up.